it's Dr. Michelle here. I'm doing a video finally on healing touch technique number 4. So let's dive in. Laser technique. Again, these can all be combined with the other 3 that I've shared. So please go to the Healing Touch Massage series and you can watch Healing Touch 1 technique and 2 and 3. And this will be number 4. You can combine them in any sequence that you want. This can be done on animals, people, your loved ones. I can provide it via telemedicine if you want a personal healing session. So you can go to my website for that at www.designtoheal.biz. So let's dive in. I'm taking advantage of the fact that we got to spring forward today and it's still light out. So hopefully there's not too much of a glare. I just thought it'd be nice to get some light and outside scenery. So this is called the laser technique for healing touch therapy. I love using this one for pain, any type of painful area, joints, post-surgery, etc., arthritis. And I'm going to read a little bit first and then I'll show you demonstrate the technique. So laser is a penetrating focus of light energy coming from one or more fingers. The purpose is cutting, sealing, and breaking up congestion in the energy field. The uses are for nerve tract pain. So I just did a video on skin disorders and shingles. I highlighted this would be wonderful for shingles because you get a lot of nerve pain or like neuropathy issues. A lot of my cancer patients got neuropathy from the chemotherapy medication. So this is great for nerve tract pain, this technique. TMJ, jaw pain, ear aches, toothaches, or to repair wounds or incisions. It is helpful for stopping bleeding and breaking up congestion in small areas inside the body. So this is a pretty localized treatment. When I'm assessing my patient, I'm finding out what areas I'm going to be focusing on, and it's going to be a pretty fixed located treatment. And you can do multiple areas depending on what the patient or your animal is dealing with. The technique, laser is used with one or more fingers pointed directly towards the body. It may be used with the magnetic passes in hands in motion, which I've shared, and hands still. So those I've shown in the other videos, techniques. But you could use all 4 fingers too. I don't typically use all 4. I'll usually use 1 or 2. I just feel like I can get a better focus on what I'm treating that way. So let's go ahead, and since Princess Annabelle is not over here, I'm going to do it on myself. So let's see where I'm going to do it. I might do it just like on my arm. I might just kind of hold my arm up and show you. So let's just say I'm having some elbow pain and I want to do some fixed laser treatment focus. So let's say I have some outside elbow pain here. I've maybe done some magnetic passes. I may have done some hands still on the area. My hands are so cold. If anybody knows me coming into my clinic, my nickname is Popsicle Fingers. So my menopause patients usually love me. And it provides cold therapy. But anyways, I'm getting off track. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate 1 finger. Again, you can use 4 fingers as well. You can use a combo of both. And this can be combined with the other treatments. Magnetic passes, hands in motion, and hands still. And then the ultrasound technique, which I had shown before, which is more of this type of tool. So I'm kind of making an ultrasound tip. So those are the 3. and then this is 4. So laser, I'm doing more of a pointed kind of area, and I like to kind of do it like when I'm needling, I'll surround an area with needles sometimes. And so sometimes I'll go ahead and I'll do what we call surround the dragon, and I'll do a laser technique around that area. And then you can go right on top, say that area right there is hurting, you can go right on top, and then you could work it down, you could go across, and then now I'll use 2 fingers. So you're basically having your intention on the area that you're treating. Make sure you're breathing, relaxing, because you want the patient to also be relaxed and breathing and calm, which will facilitate healing. So I'll usually do that, and then I'll start mixing maybe some ultrasound in there, some clearing, magnetic passes, and then I can get also a feeling of how does that feel? Does it still feel tingly? Am I feeling warmth there, like inflammation? So, and then we can go back, do some more. So this is the laser technique. 4 fingers would be like that for me. It's just awkward. I don't feel like I'm getting a real fixed area, but you know, say you're doing a whole forearm, you might want to use all 4 fingers. But I just feel like I get a better, I don't know, better focus. I'm able to control my fingers better and treat the area that way. So that's laser techniques, laser technique, guys. So remember, I do provide this live and then also via telehealth, which you can go onto my website and you can get that set up. I think you can pay under my shop for the telehealth visits. And then you can also just reach out and call me and I can schedule it for you and take payment that way if you're not local. So again, healing touch can be used for all types of conditions, and I specified which ones specifically for that technique, but healing touch is amazing for all types of disorders in our body. It really helps facilitate healing. So I'm going to go now because it looks like we're starting to get a little bit darker and it's looking a little blurry. So I hope you're able to see well for technique number 4, healing touch. Please, if you like the video, give a subscribe or give a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe, share if you've got you know, friends and family that you want to provide some alternative healing, some holistic healing. It's something that you can do for self-care or to help others. And then also I can help guide you through a treatment. So love you all. I'll see you soon. Take great care, and ciao for now. Bye. See ya.